Hello, today we're going to install a Resolute adjustable frame into this wall opening here. This is a demonstration of how to install it in the field. First things first, we take our opening here, and we have our hinge side over here and our lock side here. Our frame will be installed from this direction into the opening, and then we'll have our second part, the flange, to cover the back of the opening. So the door will come in like this here, and the flange comes in on the side here. So first, we check the opening is parallel and square and plumb. Our frame is 860, our opening is 870, so that means we've got 10 mils of packing. So use our H packers that are 2 mil thick each. I'm going to put 2 on this side and 3 on this side here. Right, now our packers are installed, it's time to insert the frame. You're going to need a helper to help you do this. What we're going to do is going to bring the frame to the opening into the inside of the wall. We're going to insert it and then we're going to screw fix it off through the fixing channel with our driver. We're going to use number 8 gauge by 50 standard zinc coated countersink screws, just very standard wood screws. To install the door, bring it through the opening, offer it up to the opening, go to the far side to the helper pushing the door up to the opening while you're on the other side. Ensure all the packers are set behind the flange. Now with your helper, let him get the door into the opening like that and fix off through the flange. Hold one side and push hard against the lock side, starting with the hinge side. Screw and fix through all the flange holes. These will come pre-drilled with your frame. Once that's complete, go to the other side of the door on the lock side and check for gaps. If there's a slight gap, you'll need to pack it out. Use packers under the corner to get the gap right at the top. Put the screw in and then insert the packer on that side. Now you've face fixed one side of your frame, you can now open the door and fix in the second fixing channel. Now the frame is fully fixed off, we can bring the backing flange up to it. But first we're going to run a bead of sealant to hold the backing flange in. This is a 10-minute polyurethane glue. Run along the channel of the flange just by where the screw heads go. So it's done probably offer the flange up to the channel and use a rubber mallet. Start on the bottom and work your way around the frame. Take care not to hit too close to the miters. Ensure the frame is nice and tight against the wall with no gap. Now the frame is installed, our flange is up. Let's fully finish off the frame. We can install the seal. Start in the corner, push in. You may need the assistance of a hammer and a packer to get the seal started. Give it a tap until it clips in place, and then follow down. Work carefully not to break the seal. Now the hinge seal is installed. Do the top and the lock side. Now the seal is installed on all 3 sides. We need to trim off where the striker plate goes. Measure it up and cut away the seal flap where the striker plate is installed. Then the striker plate fits neatly over the seal. To finish the striker plate off, you need a countersunk rivet and job done. Check the placement of the striker by closing the door. Now you have fully completed the install, enjoy your door.